So, how to fix Instagram automatically closing? Yes, this is what I'm gonna show you in today's video. It's actually so easy and I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. So just keep watching until the end and don't forget to like if the video was helpful. First thing guys is simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, wait a few seconds, scroll all the way down, go to Instagram app, go to the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert, click on the app launch, make sure that this option is enabled, and then go back, click on force stop, and that's it. Or what you have to do now is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end.